Namaste. I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 13 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Today's asanas are inspired by the moon, and we would also be moving from one side of the mat to the other. You can either start on the right or the left side of the mat. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Back is straight, chin parallel to the earth, palms in receiving position. Close your eyes. Now breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Noticing the air moving in through your nostrils all the way to your belly. And now open your mouth and breathe out. Relax your jaw. One more breath in. This time push your belly forward. And as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Now slowly drop your chin in the direction of your chest, bringing your right ear to your right shoulder. Eyes can stay closed. Again, chin back to your chest, bringing your left ear to your left shoulder. Notice sensations in your neck. Keep breathing in and out. You don't have to coordinate your breath yet with your movement. Last time, towards your left. Come back to center. Look forward. Breathe in, reach your hand up towards the ceiling. Drop your head back. Drop your chin down towards your chest. Stay here. Press your fingertips towards the ceiling or the sky. Pressing your sit bones into the mat. Again, gaze up and down. Now bring your gaze forward. Now slowly bend to your right. Drop your right hand onto the mat. Either you're here, walking your hands away from you, or drop your elbow if you can go further down. Both your shoulders pointing forward, chest forward. Reach and stretch. Breathe in through your nose. Nice expansion on the left side. Exhale. You can breathe out through your mouth. One more breath in here. And breathe out. Reach both your hands up. Again, stretch and fold to the other side. Chest forward. Reach your left hand to the left side of the room. If you can. And this side, I can drop my elbow down. See how you feel. Based on how you feel, you can decide where you want to place your arms. Breathe in. You may notice some warmth, tingling in your hands. Every time you breathe out, just relax into the pose. Inhale, slowly come up. We're going to fold forward for this one. Elbows stay bent. Bring your index and thumb to touch. Elbows are nicely bent. Drop your forehead onto the mat. If going all this way is not very comfortable, you can stay on your elbows. Interlace your fingers, rest your forehead. Just see what feels comfortable in your body. And based on that, you can decide how much how deep you want to go into your practice. Inhale, slowly come up. We're going to swing our legs to one side. Come into our tabletop. Bring your knees beneath your hips. Palms or wrists beneath your shoulders, toes behind your knees. Engage your toes or keep it flat. Breathing in, arch your back, gaze forward. This time, pull your navel in. Drop your chin to your chest. Press your palms into the mat. One more breath in. Sit bones towards the ceiling. Nice length. Don't bring your shoulders close to you. Nice length here. If you want to push your chin forward. Gaze forward. And breathe out. Press into the mat, round your back. Pull the navel in. You're going to come up to standing. From here, we're going to bring our palms in front of our thighs and bring it all the way up towards the ceiling. You can stay here or you can raise your heels up, keeping your focus at one point, either on the floor or the wall. Something that doesn't move. Now drop your heels down. Bend to your right. If you want to go deeper into the stretch here, with your right hand, pull your left wrist. Your chest is forward like we did while we were sitting. Again, breathe in, center, change hands. With your left, grab your right wrist. Stretch. Breathe out to the other side. Breathe in, come all the way up. We're going to step our left leg towards the left side of the room, pointing our toes to the corners of the mat. Release the hands, stretch it out. Oops. Stretch your hands out to Uttita Tadasana, your star pose. Now, knees in the direction of your toes. Bend and sit down. Elbows in line with your shoulder. Push your shoulder blades towards the midline. Devi Asana, goddess pose. Go as low as you can. Stay here. Breathe in. And breathe out. Release your hands. Come up. Now I'm going to shift my, spin my left leg towards the left side of the room. My right toes are pointing straight ahead. Breathe in. Hands come in line with your shoulders. Drop down. Trikonasana, triangle pose. Shoulders stacked one over the other. From Trikonasana, slowly bend your left knee. Bring your left palm diagonal to your left foot. You can place both your hands here onto the mat. And slowly lift your right leg off. You can simply stay here or you can transition further into Chandrasana. I'm going to come closer. Drop my left hand onto the mat. Press my right hand here. Chandrasana. Breathe in. Shoulders forward. And back. Drop your legs down. Drop your knee onto the mat. Inhale. Adjust the front leg. We're going to come all the way to Anjaneyasana Asana or your crescent moon pose. Bring your hands down as you breathe out. Press into the mat. Lift. Your heels come off. Chandrasana or high lunge. Hold your 2 and 1. Now spin your legs. You need a lot of focus, concentration. Now come to your Skandasana, your side lunge. You're either here or if you can go deeper, if you've been practicing, come to Skandasana and balance. You can stay here or drop your heel and drop your feet. Take the support of the mat. It's your choice. 2 2, and 1. Here, another option is pressing into the mat, lifting and coming to the other side, or you're going to simply walk, come to the other side, stay up here, or sit down completely. Breathe in and breathe out. Turn, bend the back leg, come all the way back. Chandranamaskara. Drop your knees down. Adjust your back foot and come to Asana. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop your hands to the mat. Press. Lift off. Walk your left leg in. Again, right hand. Place it diagonally. The little toe side of your right foot. Place your palm. Lift. Come here. Or if you can, come off the pose a couple of times, and that's totally fine. 2, your Chandranamaskara. And 1, drop your legs down. Come all the way up. This time, right leg to the right side. Shift your pelvis. Reach out. Go to your triangle pose. Trikonasana. You can either look straight ahead or at your feet. Breathe. 2. And 1. Inhale, come up. Heel toe, your leg in. Breathe in. Stretch your hands out to the corners of the room. Utthita Tadasana. From here, we're going to go back to Devi Asana. This time, I'm going to go lower. Come to Malasana, or you can just stay in Devi Asana. Stay here. Shift your weight on either side. Press the elbows into the inside of your foot. Inside of your thigh. And for some of us, we may be here. You can roll a towel and place it beneath your heels. Stay here. Pushing your tailbone towards the earth. Back is nice and straight. Gaze forward. Breathe in your Malasana. Breathe out. I'm going to press my palms to the mat. Straighten. Breathe in. Reach my hands up. Bring my left to join my right. Shake your legs out if you have to. From here, I'm going to bend to my right. Then if you can simply stay here like we did the first time, or just place the tip of your toes, or if you can, lift the leg up. A lot of balance. Come back center. This time to the other side. Don't worry. Come off the pose. Come back again. We're just gonna keep at it. Keep practicing. Come all the way up. Release your hands. Roll your shoulders. Come down. From here, we're going to come to sit in Dandasana, the staff pose, and either with support or very slowly come back to lying in shavasana, keeping our legs wide, closing our eyes, focusing on our breath. We're going to stay here for a few breaths, just to bring our breath back into a comfortable rhythm. Bring both your feet together Hands come to rest next to you. Tip of your nose pointing towards the ceiling. We're going to take one deep breath in here and chant one round of Om. Noticing the vibrations of Om wash all through our body. Staying here as long as we want to. Enjoying this moment. I hope you enjoyed this moon-inspired session. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. Namaste.